Hey there, electricians and DIY enthusiasts. Mike Rowe here, and let me tell you, I've seen my fair share of dirty jobs. But none of them are dirtier or more dangerous than working with electricity. That's why today, we're diving into the must-have safety tools that every electrician should carry. You see, electricity is a powerful force, and it demands respect. We're not talking about changing a light bulb here, folks. We're talking about working with live wires, circuits, and enough juice to knock you into next week. That's why having the right safety gear is non-negotiable. It's not about being a wimp, it's about being smart, staying safe, and going home to your family every night. So, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this video is for you. We're gonna walk through the essential tools that will keep you protected on the job. Remember, safety first, folks. Let's start with the basics, shall we? You can't swing a dead cat in an electrician's tool bag without hitting a screwdriver, but we're not talking about your grandpappy's rusty old Phillips head. No sir, we're talking about insulated screwdrivers. These babies are like the everyday workhorse of electrical work. But here's the kicker. They're coated in a non-conductive material, usually up to the handle. That means when you're up to your elbows in wires, you're not going to become the path of least resistance for a jolt of electricity. Trust me, you don't want to be that guy. Get yourself a good set of insulated screwdrivers and keep them handy. They're your first line of defense against a potentially shocking experience. This next tool is crucial, folks, and I mean absolutely crucial. It's called a voltage tester, and it's your best friend when it comes to staying safe around electricity. Think of it as your early warning system, your canary in the coal mine. See, before you go poking around in any electrical panel or messing with wires, you gotta know if there's any juice flowing through them. That's where the voltage tester comes in. You just touch the probes to the wire or terminal, and it'll tell you if there's voltage present. No more guessing, no more hoping for the best. A voltage tester takes the guesswork out of the equation and keeps you from becoming a statistic. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry. Now, let's talk about protecting those moneymakers because let's face it, you need your hands to do your job. That's why insulated gloves are non-negotiable when it comes to electrical work. These aren't your average gardening gloves, folks. We're talking about heavy-duty protection made from specialized rubber or plastic that can withstand high voltages. They create a barrier between you and the electricity, preventing a potentially deadly shock from coursing through your body. Remember, your hands are your livelihood. Treat them with respect and invest in a good pair of insulated gloves. You'll thank me later. You might think safety glasses are overkill, but let me tell you, I've seen enough workplace accidents to know that they're anything but. When you're dealing with electricity, things can spark, pop, and fly off in unexpected directions. And the last thing you want is for one of those things to end up in your eye. A good pair of safety glasses will protect your peepers from flying debris, sparks, and even arc flashes, which can cause serious eye damage. So don't be a hero. Ditch the bravado and put on your safety glasses. Your eyesight will thank you for it. Last but not least, we have the circuit breaker finder. This little gadget is a lifesaver, especially when you're working on a complex electrical system. It's like having a detective on hand to help you track down the right breaker. You just plug the transmitter into the outlet you're working on, and then use the receiver to scan your breaker panel. The receiver will beep or light up when it finds the corresponding breaker, making it a breeze to identify and shut off the right circuit. No more guessing, no more flipping breakers until you get lucky. The circuit breaker finder takes the mystery out of electrical work and helps you stay safe in the process. There you have it, folks. Those are the essential safety tools that every electrician should carry. Remember, working with electricity is no joke. It's a powerful force that demands respect and caution. But with the right tools and a healthy dose of common sense, you can stay safe and get the job done right. Don't skimp on safety gear and never be afraid to ask for help if you're unsure about something. Remember, your safety is worth it. Now get out there, be smart, and stay safe.